Ayon sa Tatler's List of Who's Who of the Philippines, si Ben Chan ay itinuturing na isa sa mga prominenteng entrepreneur sa ating bansa. Nagsimula ang lahat ng ito nang siya ay tumungo sa San Francisco upang mag-aral ng kursong interior designing. At dahil dito, napagtanto niya ang kahalagahan at importansya ng kanyang pamilya. Habang siya ay nag-aaral, nagkaroon din siya ng part-time job bilang ticketing officer sa isang sinehan na mayroong salary na nagkakahalaga ng $2.25 per ora. At dahil sa ganoong sitwasyon, natutunan niya na maging matipid.
Makalipas ang ilang taong pag-aaral,
Nakatanggap si Chan ng isang sulat mula sa kanyang ina.
Ben, my son, I hope you were in a good condition. I send you this letter to inform you that me and your dad want you to go back to the Philippines as soon as possible because we can see some great opportunities here in the country, especially in the business line. We hope to see you soon. Your mom.
Nang makabalik si Ben sa Pilipinas,
Nagtayo ng isang children's boutique sa Harrison Plaza ang kanyang kapatid na si Ninita Lim at ito ay naging matagumpay.
dahil sa tagumpay na natamasa, nagkaroon ng ideya si Ben na mag-design ng jeans at t-shirts panlalaki. Kinalaunan, naitatag ang bench na hango sa kanyang pangalan.
Vision is the art of seeing the invisible. Ito ang mga katagang kanyang pinanghawakan, kung kaya't naging perpekto siya sa larangan ng fashion. Sinimulan niya ang kanyang hangarin sa pamamagitan ng pagpili ng mga RTW shirts na ready to market na. Dahil sa kagustuhan niya na ang basic white undergarment na ito ay maging fashionable outerwear. Binuksan niya ang kanyang unang boutique sa Park Square, Ayala, Makati City. Ang boutique na ito ay naging matagumpay at si Richard Gomez ang naging kauna-unahang endorser nito. Ito ang nakakuha sa puso ng masa at naging dahilan sa pagtaas ng sales nito metro-wide.
What was the role of your mother in the business? What did you learn from her?
My mom had very good organizational skills. She taught us all to be hands-on. She set the example by always being visibly present in the office and in the factory. She knew everyone's responsibilities. I would always remember her telling all of us to take care of the family's name. We should not do anything that would put the chance in a bad light. Pay all your bills, she would always tell us. From her, I also learned that the value of dedication, perseverance, and hard work.
What advice would you give to young people who want to start in business?
There's no substitute for hard work. Don't let disappointment stop you from reaching your dreams. Think out of the box and go global.